Colombia is confirmed to soon acquire 16 units of Rafale fighter jets from France worth 3.5 billion United States dollars. Bogotá on Wednesday, December 21, 2022 stated, this will be the first purchase of Rafale by a country in South America. The Rafale will replace the Israeli-made Kafir fighter jets that have been used by the Colombian Air Force since the late 1980s. This Omniral fighter jet will be tasked with defending Colombian airspace, fighting organized crime and conducting aerial surveillance. Before deciding to go with the offer from France, Colombia had considered two other offers from the United States and Sweden, namely the F-16 and Gripen respectively. The government has voted in favor of the proposal put forward by the French government for the acquisition of 16 Rafale aircraft, the Colombian presidency said in a statement as reported by Reuters. In addition, so far the proposal from France is the best for the country in terms of price, efficiency and operation. A 1-hour flight time on a Rafale plane is about 30% cheaper than a 1-hour flight time on a Kafir, the government said, comparing it to older planes. No contracts have been signed until the time this news was revealed. But the decision has been taken by President Gustavo Petro, who last August officially became the first president of Colombia from a left-wing party. The new president is eager to upgrade the Colombian Air Force fleet. President Petro said the renewal of the Air Force was necessary because the Kafir fleet had been in service for more than 42 years and had been operating in Colombia for more than 30 years. Operation and maintenance of Kafir is currently expensive and can be risky. Colombia is practically the sole operator of the Kafir, an aircraft for which parts are no longer being produced. The limitations of the Kafir aircraft impede actions to ensure air surveillance, the fight against organized crime and national security, he said. The implementation of the contract acquisition for 16 Rafale is planned to be completed within the next 5 years after the contract is signed.